Strategies for saving money as a student or young professional. Hey, in this video I'm going to show you some strategies that you can use to save money as a student or young professional. And I know that being a student or young professional can be tough when it comes to money. In this video, I'm going to show you some strategies that you can use to save money and live a little easier. So stay tuned and let's get started. Understand your expenses. If you're like most people, you probably don't think too much about your expenses. After all, what's the point? You already know where all your money goes every month. But if you're serious about getting your finances in order, it's time to take a closer look at where your money is actually going. You may be surprised to find that you're spending more than you realize on things like eating out, entertainment, and wardrobe. But once you have a better understanding of your spending habits, you can start to make changes that will help you save money and reach your financial goals. So take a close look at your expenses and see where you can cut back. It may not be as difficult as you think, and the savings can add up quickly. Create a budget and stick to it. Many people find that creating and following a budget is an effective way to save money. When you have a budget, you are aware of your spending patterns and can make adjustments to ensure that your spending aligns with your goals. A budget can also help you to set aside money for savings and other financial priorities. One of the most important aspects of budgeting is sticking to it. It can be helpful to track your spending for a month or so in order to get an accurate picture of where your money goes. Once you have a budget in place, try to stick to it as closely as possible. You may find it helpful to set up reminders or alerts in order to stay on track. By following a budget, you can take control of your finances and reach your financial goals. Shop around for the best deals on everything. One of the most effective ways to save money is simply to shop around for the best deals on everything from groceries to car insurance. By taking the time to compare prices and services, you can often find significant savings. In today's economy, being a savvy shopper can make a big difference in your bottom line. Cut back on eating out and drinking alcohol. One way to save money is to cut back on your spending. This can be difficult to do, but if you focus on cutting back in areas where you tend to spend a lot of money, you can make a significant dent in your expenses. For example, if you eat out frequently or drink alcohol often, cutting back in these areas can save you a lot of money over time. Try cooking at home more often and limiting yourself to only drinking alcohol on special occasions. If you can stick to these changes, you'll be surprised at how much money you can save. Live with roommates to split the cost of rent and bills. College can be a tough time financially. Many students have to work one or more jobs while attending classes full-time, and even then it can be hard to make ends meet. One way to save money is to live with roommates. By splitting the cost of rent and bills, you can reduce your monthly expenses significantly. And even though you'll have to share your living space, it can be a great way to meet new people and build lasting friendships. So if you're looking for ways to save money in college, consider getting a roommate or two. It can make a big difference in your financial well-being. Now, these are just a few strategies that you can use to save money as a student or young professional. If you have any other tips or tricks that have helped you save money, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.